Hey, welcome back, guys. I hope you guys survived the Sunday night storming. I hope everybody's okay from that, and I hope everybody is healthy and well and just still hanging in there for our Corona vacation here. So today is Monday, April 13th. Monday, April 13th. So as you probably know, we're going to be working Monday through Thursday now, giving you Friday through Sunday off. It's going to help us a little bit extend the material that we do have throughout the rest of the semester. So this Thursday, we're going to wrap up Unit 5, which is our trigonometric identity unit. And today, what we're going to do is I'm going to take you through, let's see if I can do this and you guys see it okay. I'm going to take you through the homework basically. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 8 topics in your homework. And so these were all topics that you would have done prior to spring break. So I'm going to take you through one problem of each just to give you a reminder of how to do all this stuff. So, without further ado, talk about a couple other things. Got a test this Thursday. It's going to be within Delta Math. We've updated Delta Math a little bit, which is going to allow us to limit the number of problems that you do, limit the number of tries that you do it, and so basically we can give you a test within Delta Math now. That's going to be open from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. We're going to cut down that time. So for you procrastinators, make sure you're paying attention and you don't have till 7 p.m. anymore. So let me get going with these 8 problems. I'm just going to copy the problem from my screen over to the notebook paper and we'll get going. So the first unit, or the first section, says if you are given cosine theta negative square root 3 over 2 and you are in quadrant 3, it says find the exact value of sine using an identity. So it says find sine of theta. All right, so why is quadrant 3 important here? You have to remember all students take calculus to make sure that you have the correct signs for that problem when we're all done. So identity. I do not think I have my, yep, I do. I have my identities right over here. So here they are. Here's my trigonometric identities. So I'm going to use sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1 to figure this out. So cosine squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1. So cosine squared will be negative square root 3 over 2. I'm going to square that. All right, I'm going to kind of work this out a little bit. So negative square root of 3 squared is 3. 2 squared is 4. Plus sine squared equals 1. I'm going to subtract 3/4 from 1. That's going to give me sine squared equals 1/4. We'll go take the square root of that. And sine of theta equals 1/2. Now, is it the positive, the negative 1/2? That's what we've got to try to remember from all students take calculus. So we got our unit circle, quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. And we've got all students take calculus. So down here in the third quadrant, sine's going to be negative. So our answer is, come on, pen, there we go. It's going to be negative. Let me go put that in the Delta Math. Negative 1/2. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'll submit. Yes. Boom, got it right. Okay. So the next section is Pythagorean trig identities. So Pythagorean trig identities. You got 8 sections in your Delta Math review homework. This is Pythagorean trig identities. Okay, so let's see what the problem looks like. It says simplify to a single trig function with no denominator. Okay, something new with the Delta Math you're going to see is there's a watch help video. So this is the update that we've installed. We had to buy this. So this is a little extra. It's got a video. It's 5 minutes 41 seconds long. So I'm going to hide that and get to it. So we have, cosecant squared theta minus 1. So basically what we're doing is we're just matching this up. We're matching this up to a trig identity. So you come down to your Pythagorean identities. There's cosecant squared. If I were to subtract this 1 from both sides, it would equal cotangent squared theta. So this right here is cotangent squared theta. So that is what we want to go type into our Delta Math. And so let's see if we can get that. Cotangent square, wrong button. Squared, come down, where's my, x, and we will submit, yes, wrong green check. Oh, having a little internet issues up here. Come on. All right, well that is correct. We'll see when the computer comes back. Okay, so cotangent squared theta is going to be that one. Okay, next section. Well, it sure would help if I could get my internet going. All right, well, I'm going to take a break while my internet kind of reconnects, and I'll get back to you in a second.